Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2018 Chevrolet Cruze LT. Comes equipped with a 1.4 liter turbo engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Other benefits included such as premium heated bucket seats, cruise control, power sliding sunroof, and so much more. Come check it out. Moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all black interior with paneling storage on the bottom here. You got your powered trunk release. Comes equipped with the Bose speaker sound system as well. You got the power locks, mirrors, and windows with the chrome accent handle. Cruze badging there. You got these heated cloth bucket seats, super comfortable. Left side you'll have your vents and as well as your lighting. And left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control, with the right side being your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. You can access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info and as well as your gauges here. You can also access audio, phone, navigation, and other settings as well. It's going to be push to start and onto the infotainment. So you're going to have your Bluetooth connectivity or as well as your wired projection, which is wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can choose to sign up for OnStar navigation, and you can see here you can have your texts and as well as My Chevrolet. Below, climate control is pretty straightforward. The heated seats. Just below you're going to have a USB port with auxiliary as well as a 12 volt. Some extra storage. Center console, you're going to have your traction and as well as your park assist. And of course center console here. Passenger side, same finish but manually adjustable. Again, chrome accents all the way across. Speakers and vents up top. And then here you can access your reading lamps, OnStar and SOS, as well as the power sliding sunroof. So you're going to be 16-inch wheels on Goodyear Ultra winter tires. You're going to have paint match mirror caps and keyless entry door handles. Tint rear glass in the back here. Badging. As well as you can access the trunk. You can see here, you got extra wheel wells and tools. It's a pretty spacious rear. Alright, moving on to the rear interior. Again, more paneling and storage right next to the speaker. Chrome accent handle. Lots of extra legroom. Storage behind the passenger side with the rear USB port. You got speakers in the back as well. Cup holder and armrests. Lamps up top and hooks on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2018 Chevrolet Cruze LT, equipped with a 1.4 liter turbo engine, as well as Goodyear winter tires, a Bose speaker sound system, power sliding sunroof, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.